The 12 finest fruit and vegetables to juice. Over the last few years, juicing has acquired prevalent appeal among health-conscious individuals searching for a quick and practical way to enhance their nutrient consumption. Nevertheless, if you're brand new to juicing, you might find it difficult to determine which vegetables or fruit to pick. Here are the 12 best fruit and vegetables to juice to enhance your general health. 1. Kale. Kale is a versatile leafy green with a mild flavor that pairs well with other fruits and veggies in juices. This power-packed ingredient is a fantastic source of several crucial nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K. Raw kale is also specifically high in antioxidants, including beta-carotene. Antioxidants neutralize harmful particles called free radicals to help secure against conditions like heart problems. In fact, drinking kale juice has been shown to minimize heart problem threat elements, including LDL, bad cholesterol. One research study in 32 men with high cholesterol levels discovered that drinking 5 ounces, 150 milliliters, of kale juice daily for 3 months reduced LDL, bad cholesterol by 10% and enhanced heart protective HDL cholesterol by 27%. Summary. Kale is high in several important nutrients, including beta-carotene and vitamins A, C, and K+. It has actually been revealed to improve cardiovascular disease danger factors. 2. Carrots. Due to their sweet flavor and outstanding nutrient profile, carrots are a perfect option for juicing. They're low in calories and high in vitamin A, biotin, and potassium. What's more, they're filled with carotenoids, which are plant pigments that work as powerful antioxidants in your body. These consist of beta-carotene, lycopene, alpha-carotene, and lutein. Studies show that eating a diet plan abundant in carotenoids might be connected to a lower danger of degenerative eye illness, cardiovascular disease, and particular kinds of cancer, including of the prostate. The sweetness of carrot juice combines well with other commonly juiced vegetables and fruits, such as citrus fruits, ginger, and beets. Summary. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, biotin, and potassium. They're high in carotenoids, which may be connected to a lower threat of eye disease, heart problem, and particular types of cancer. 3. Beets. In addition to their dynamic color and earthy flavor, beets add a host of health benefits to your everyday juice. In regards to nutrition, beets are packed with manganese, potassium, and folate. They're also high in nitrates, a type of natural plant compound with effective health effects. In fact, research studies reveal that nitrate-rich beetroot juice may improve blood pressure, along with athletic and mental efficiency. Not only do beets make a scrumptious addition to juices, but also their leafy green tops called beet greens are extremely nutritious and can be juiced also. Summary. Beets are a good source of manganese, potassium, folate, and nitrates, which may assist lower blood pressure and enhance athletic efficiency and brain health. 4. Cabbage. Cabbage may not appear like an apparent choice for juicing, but it's a healthy and tasty active ingredient that works well in juices. Each serving of cabbage is chock-filled with vitamins K and C, along with other micronutrients like folate, manganese, and vitamin B6. It's classified as a cruciferous vegetable and carefully related to other veggies like broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Studies show that eating more cruciferous vegetables is connected with a lower threat of diabetes, heart problem, and swelling. Summary. Cabbage is high in vitamins K and C in addition to many other nutrients. As a cruciferous vegetable, it may assist safeguard against diabetes, heart disease, and inflammation. 5. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that brings a mild, fresh taste to smoothies and juices. It's high in vitamins A and C and delivers a hearty dosage of antioxidants like quercetin, kaempferol, and lutein. Spinach is rich in nitrates, which can benefit heart health. One research study in 27 people found that consuming spinach for 7 days substantially decreased systolic and diastolic blood pressure, the top and bottom numbers of a reading. Hypertension is a significant threat element for heart disease. In addition, some research study recommends that spinach juice has considerable antacid activity, making it a sensible choice for those with heartburn. Summary. Spinach is rich in vitamins A and C, along with antioxidants and nitrates. It may lower high blood pressure and have antacid impacts. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous veggie that's been connected to different impressive health benefits. In particular, it's an exceptional source of essential micronutrients, such as potassium and vitamins A, B6, and C. It also contains kaempferol, a powerful compound that has actually been shown to neutralize disease-causing totally free radicals, decrease swelling, and reduce cancer cell development in test tube studies. What's more, a current research study in 960 individuals kept in mind that consuming one serving each day of green veggies abundant in kaempferol and other antioxidants might slow age-related psychological decline. Toss broccoli heads and stems into your juicer for a nutritious addition to your green juice recipe. Summary: broccoli is abundant in potassium and vitamins A, B6, and C. It also packs a number of antioxidants like kaempferol, which may decrease cancer development, swelling, and psychological decline. 7. Parsley. Often dismissed as bit more than an herb and garnish for cooking, parsley is a great vegetable to use for juicing. Fresh parsley is specifically rich in vitamins A, K, and C, which may all contribute to its lots of health benefits. In one study, giving volunteers with diabetes parsley extract significantly reduced blood glucose and improved blood antioxidant levels, compared with a control group. Another study discovered that administering parsley extract to volunteers with drug-induced liver damage increased antioxidant status and preserved liver function. Summary: parsley includes vitamins K, A, and C in some studies. It's been shown to minimize blood sugar levels, improve antioxidant status, and secure liver function. 8. Cucumbers. Cucumbers have a high water content, making them an excellent addition to your next juice. They're low in calories yet high in potassium, manganese, and vitamins K and C. Including cucumbers to your diet plan can assist keep you hydrated, which is vital to gastrointestinal health, kidney function, weight management, and physical efficiency. In addition, test tube research reveals that cucumber extract might help reduce inflammation in skin cells. This makes cucumber juice an excellent option after spending days in the sun. Summary: cucumbers are high in potassium, manganese, and vitamins K and C. They can help keep you hydrated and may minimize skin inflammation. 9. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with key minerals and vitamins. In fact, each serving consists of a lot of vitamins A and C, which are necessary nutrients that double as antioxidants to help combat cellular damage in your body. Some research suggests that Swiss chard might be especially advantageous for those with diabetes. In a 45-day study, feeding Swiss chard extract to volunteers with high blood glucose decreased the elevated levels by increasing antioxidant status and altering the activity of enzymes that manage insulin, a blood sugar regulating hormonal agent. You can include Swiss chard to just about any juice or use it in place of more common leafy greens, such as kale and spinach. Summary: Swiss chard is high in vitamins A and C. Studies recommend that it might help reduce blood sugar levels and boost antioxidant status. 10. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass is an edible turf that's frequently considered one of the most popular vegetables for juicing. It's an exceptionally nutrient-dense active ingredient and supplies a substantial quantity of iron, phosphorus, magnesium, and copper, in addition to 17 various amino acids, the foundation of proteins. It consists of chlorophyll, a natural plant pigment with powerful anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting residential or commercial properties. What's more, one study in 59 ladies discovered that supplementing with wheatgrass powder for 10 weeks considerably reduced triglyceride and cholesterol levels, improving heart health. Wheatgrass juice can be delighted in by itself as a shot or added to any juice for a dietary increase. Summary: wheatgrass is an edible yard which contains 17 amino acids, along with iron, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, and chlorophyll. One study discovered that it might promote heart health by decreasing triglyceride and cholesterol levels. 11. Celery. Celery juice has started to acquire traction in the health world, and for good reason. In addition to its high water content, celery consists of an excellent amount of vitamins A, K, and C, in addition to antioxidants like kaempferol, caffeic acid, and ferulic acid. Test tube research has found that celery extract might enhance heart health by decreasing blood pressure, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. One study also showed that certain compounds in celery have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which may protect against chronic disease. Many people like to drink celery juice on its own, but it can also be combined with the juice of lemons, apples, ginger, and leafy greens for a tasty beverage. Summary. Celery contains vitamins A, K, and C, as well as several antioxidants. Test tube studies show that celery extract may decrease inflammation and reduce blood pressure, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. 12. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a kitchen staple and great for using in your juicer. They're not only low in calories but also brimming with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Tomatoes are also rich in lycopene, a compound that's been tied to a lower risk of prostate cancer, heart attack, and stroke. Drinking tomato juice has also been shown to reduce inflammation, increase metabolism, and improve male fertility. What's more, tomato juice may reduce inflammation associated with exercise, making it a smart choice for athletes. Pair tomatoes with celery, cucumber, and parsley for a refreshing, healthy juice. Summary. Tomatoes have powerful anti-inflammatory effects and are rich in vitamin C, potassium, folate, and lycopene. The final point: you can juice a wide variety of vegetables, each providing a unique set of nutrients and health benefits. Try mixing and matching veggies from the list above to squeeze different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants into your diet. You can also combine these vegetables with fruits to further increase the flavor and health benefits. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.